In this tutorial, I'll show you how to promote Impact Affiliate Program on LinkedIn. Let's get straight into it. Once you log into your account, just click on Brands and click on My Brands, and all the affiliate programs you've been accepted to promote will show up here. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to promote Canva. I need to grab the link, create link. I don't want to use that one. If you click create link, check it out. This is what you're gonna get, and that's not what you want. Click on assets. You have a lot of assets or resources you can promote. This is the standard landing page. When you push it up, this is for YouTube. I want to promote this product on LinkedIn. If not, you can use the general link like these ones, standard link or subscription or whatever. I'll just grab the LinkedIn, I'll click on it and click. You have your ad code and track link. I'll click on track link, and this is it. I'll copy, right click, I'll highlight, right click and copy. You need to check to make sure you are happy with where the link is going. I've opened new window, I'll drop it and enter, and let's see, just to suit the platform because they don't want you to violate anything. I like the way it is, and please don't copy this link here. Like this link, we're gonna use the original affiliate link. This is the link we're gonna promote. Let's go back. Next, we have to create an article. Go to the main Canva website and I'll show you my secret strategy. I'm on the main Canva page. Accept cookies, because if not, you're not gonna see the stuff that I want to show you. When you scroll down, see right from the beginning, what will you design today? Like Canva makes it easy to create professional designs and to share or print them. Right from the top, you have text to play with. All these things like Canva Free, Canva Pro, Canva Teams, Canva Enterprise, like all these are subtitles that you can play with, design with others, create with AI. Like I'm showing, that is my first strategy. If you don't know what to write about, trust me, there are a bunch of tests you can play with. For instance, read more. This test, trust me, you can play with this text and push. I've written my article already, but I want to show you what you can do to get all the text. Background remover. Like you can just rewrite things and make it your own. And this pricing, you can go through. The second secret strategy is to type Canva into Google search engine, then scroll down, and right here you see Canva login, Canva download, Canva free, Canva template, Canva resume, Canva pro, Canva app, Canva education, and the list goes on. These are queries that people are also searching for. You can write about these things as well. Let me go back. That the best way to promote a product is to know about this product, use it, and have personal experience or opinion about it. That's the best way to do it. Even if you haven't used the product before, please try and read more about it. Like in my case, I use Canva, that's why I want to promote. I know the in and out of it. I'll show you. This is my article. I've written it already and it's 873 words. I know on Google you need about 1,000 plus to rank very well, but depending on the platform you are promoting this product on, you can rank even with 300 plus words. I'll create my blog post. I'll copy this, and I'll go to, you can create a post quick, drop an image or share expertise, but I'll create an article. Click on it. This is a LinkedIn blog post dashboard or editor. First, we need to create an image, and I'm happy they brought it out because we recommend uploading or dragging an image that is this puzzle. First, I'll drop my title. This is my title and my article, and there's something I need to correct. Let's go back, drop it, right click and paste as plain text. If not, it's gonna ruin your format. I'll go up and I'll highlight or bold whatever I need to, like all these things, because if you don't do formatting, trust me. Oh, and by the way, I'll prove to you that this is not AI written. Let me just finish with the formatting. I'll try to speed up. Yeah, all these underline, I don't want to change it because when you keep changing it, the suggestion from this app, Grammarly, it's good. But trust me, when you keep accepting and changing, at the end, your article gonna turn into a generated article. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. After writing this article and you keep accepting all their suggestions, it will turn your article into an AI article. And I don't want that. I've learned from my mistake. I want these things to stand out. This is my conclusion. Now italize it. I like doing that. I don't know why. But instead of wrap up, I put it there just to help me know that this is a conclusion, and I'll add this line. I like doing stuff like this. This underline, don't worry. I'll show you first why I try to ignore all these things. Even though I use a bit of it, copy, and I'll use AI content detector. It's free. I have originality, but they are almost the same. To me, they are almost the same. But with originality, I have to pay. This one is free. I'll use it and save my credit on originality, but the results are nearly same. Then I'll paste it. Once you paste, I have 860 words. And when I click analyze text, see, it's telling me I have 17% AI generated and 83% human written. Like I told you, this is human written, but because of the suggestions, like when you click, let me reload and I'll show you what I'm talking about. See, because of all these suggestions underlined, it's not like the text is not good. As long as it's not read, that means they just don't like your flow. They find it, let's say, not diplomatic, it's not highly written and all that. But trust me, this is a social media platform. This is not like a political conference or high-time business contracts with the government of whatever. Just ignore it. If you try to keep changing it, guess what? I've done some of them, and that is why this is showing. But if I go back and I keep accepting, at the end of the day, the entire article will be AI written, and no, I don't want that. Let's go back. Please ignore this. As long as your text makes sense, like this one for instance, new features are added to Canva constantly. It makes sense, but look at what they want me to do. New features are constantly added to Canva. It sounds good, but trust me, the more you keep doing it, if you keep accepting, you don't want to cry, created it yet, and I'll show you how to do that. Let me show you how to add the affiliate link. Let's see, where can I add this? You don't want to add it right from the top. No, you need to go down the middle a bit. Alright, so right after the pricing, I'll drop it here. Enter again, and I'll say design with Canva, and let the graphics do the talking for your business. I guess this is good. Design with Canva and let the graphics do the talking for your business. Then actually I will highlight the Canva, or I can highlight this, then click on the link, and then drop the affiliate link and apply. Something like this. You need to put a query here now. Let me see. I would like to add something here. You try Canva yet? And I'll go like this. Yes, this is what I want to do. Something like this. We see it's embedded within the sentence or the phrase. It's not click here, go there. No, most social media networks, they don't like that. Please refrain from doing that, or don't use that strategy. I see a lot of people doing it. I've done it before, but I've learned from my mistakes. And instead of putting like arrow and stuff like that here, what I'll do, I'll just highlight and italize everything. Just it's gonna stand out. And guess what? I'm gonna copy Ctrl C, and I'll come all the way down, and right here I'll drop it again. And also I need to issue a disclaimer. I'll say disclaimer, because you need to do this. And I'll say links in this article. Some of the links in this article are affiliate links. I've issued my disclaimer. Click here and another line, something simple like this. I have my disclosure or the disclaimer. When you check, I have everything nice and neatly the way, because when you try to drop a link, I see a lot of people dropping link right from the beginning. It's not good, and you have to let people consume at least up to 5 paragraphs before you can drop the link. I need to add a sentence to transition with this nicely. What I'll do, I'll push this and I'll go up, and I'll say prior to using a Canva name, I thought this amazing app is for professional graphic designers and pro contenters. But the question you might ask is, who is Canva made? The question you might ask is, who is Canva made for? Canva is for people who have always wanted. You see how it transitioned nicely? This is the transition I'm talking about. We are almost done. Left with the image. I'm going to show you how to design the image. If you know how to design it, that's fine. You can proceed. I'll go to Canva. If you don't have Canva account yet, I'll drop the link in the description box. I'll click here, and I have a bunch of tutorials on it. create a design, click on customize size, then enter the numbers. Let's go back 1920, 1080. Click on create design. This is the background size. Then I want to create something simple. I don't want a complicated design. Let me try and use this, and let's check this out. I want something simple. Actually, undo this. Sorry, this one. I'll use this one, and I'll change the colors. Click here. I'll change it to something. You have to make sure you are designing with something different. Actually, this doesn't look like the Canva color. Oh, I don't know why they say that, but I think this or that. I'll go with this one, and right here, something to make it stand out, and I'll take off this. If you want, you can add your business name and logo. I don't want any of this. And up here, I will type design with Canva, and I will click here, highlight everything and center, push it more. And but you can change the font, you can change it and use whatever you want. Let's say impact is not bad, and I'll add effect. The effect, let's see, maybe I'll go with orange. The orange is not bad. Actually, you know what, I think I'll go with the yellow, something to make it stand out. I'll go to elements and I'll type design, because you want design. Oh, actually I need Canva this. Click here and I'll push this over, and something like this is good, nice and simple. Then I'll optimize this for SEO. Design with Canva. Let's say graphic design tool, and that's Canva app, because people are used to the term, the keyword Canva app. Also, I'm done. Click share, download again. It's downloading. I'll go back to LinkedIn and I'll try and drag it. Click on it, drag and drop it here. Let's see, bam. Closed caption. Most social media networks don't want any copyright issues. So I'm gonna type here image design. Alright, then you can write your name or whatever. They know I created this design. I had experience with one of the Medium publishers, and I have to make sure I correct this thing. If not, they will not publish my article. Guess what? Everything is done. Next, you need to click on next, and it's time to publish. I'll say, but prior to that, I want you to know that this title will help me rank on Google. Canva review. Publish, and we are not done yet. I'll show you something. Do I want to publish this on X? I will, but first let me copy this link. Copy. I have copied this link, and let's view post. This is the post. Like I told you, don't worry about all this underlining stuff and all that. And yes, and right here you have your affiliate link. When someone clicks on it and purchase or buy something through your link, you earn a commission. You see right here too, and this is my disclaimers. I'm good to go. It's easy. Let me go back. I have copied the link, and I'll show you something like a hack, another big secret. I'll promote this on Twitter. This is it, and I'll click post, view post. This is how it's gonna look on Twitter, which is good. When people click on the link, it's gonna take them straight to LinkedIn. It's gonna help me rank on X and LinkedIn. Let me close it. See, I've promoted it 2 times. I have copied this link, and I'll show you my trick. Close it, and I'll go to the home page, and I'll create a quick post. I'll say Canva is the best graphic design tool for creators. I'll learn more about Canva in the post below, and I'll drop the link, and guess what? It's there. It's clickable. You see this? And actually, let me put this here. See, I'm gonna have to add, what do you call this? Then click post. Guess what? I have a teaser test here. Canva is the best graphic design tool for content creators. Learn more about Canva in the post below, or click here, then people click it. Guess what? I have my article, but LinkedIn will promote this one. Trust me, LinkedIn will push this one, and it's gonna drive people to the main article. This is the best way to promote Impact Affiliate Program on LinkedIn without any problem. View post. This is it. This is how people are gonna see it, and it has the linking URL here. It makes it convincing. And see, Canva review, is it the best graphic design tool? That's it. This is the end of the tutorial. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel.